Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to delete all promotions in Gmail. So firstly, you need to open Gmail on your device and then tap the menu icon in your upper left corner, and here under the tab All Inboxes you should have tabs called Promotions, also Socials and Updates, but I don't have that because it's my business email account. So you just need to enter Promotions section, and then if you want to delete all promotions, you need to hold and press just one message, and then you can select all and delete them at once by clicking this trash icon. Unfortunately, I cannot show you because I don't have those promotions, but the same process as I showed you now. So that's how you delete all promotions in Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.